Welcome to Tetrate Agent Router Enterprise. I wanted to give a quick overview of some of the features that we have in the product. Starting with the administrator dashboard, first thing that you'll notice is you can have an overview of all the usage across all your different teams, users, agents. We collect metadata from each of the requests as they flow through the proxy, and we can calculate total token usage as well as spend, errors, API requests, and active users. Inside the admin dashboard, you're able to configure different models that you want to expose to your end users. These could be public SaaS hosted models, or they could be private self-hosted models as well. Similarly, you can enable or disable different providers and give users just a catalog of exactly what they need to complete their jobs. We also support MCP servers. These can be self-hosted or public as well. We also collate all the usage information so that you can drill down and see the usage across teams, tags, or individual users. Users can be arranged in teams, which can each have their own budgets and policies set. And budgets are easy to centrally manage and observe. Administrators can also revoke API keys as needed and have good visibility into what's being used where. Finally, we collect comprehensive audit logs as well, which are viewable in the admin dashboard. Individual developers are given a slightly different view. They're able to see the models and MCP servers that admins have exposed to them in the catalog. They're able to create API keys and consume these from a single base URL with a provider-agnostic API schema. They're also able to configure MCP profiles, which are our concept of tool sets. These allow you to expose just the least privileged tools that an agent needs to complete its job, and pin the tools so that if the upstream server exposes new tools, they're not exposed to the agent automatically. For users who already have their own key or subscriptions, they're also able to configure pass-through keys by using our Bring Your Own Key feature. Finally, developers also have access to see their full request and response logs as well, and all the metadata that also goes through the proxy.